How amazing is it when you can plant food one time and have a lifetime of food to eat? And that's something that we're teaching in the Survive and Thrive Blueprint. We're going to show you how you can reach subsistence very quickly with perennial food that you can plant one time your entire life and have all the food you want. In fact, we're going to be putting up a new apple trellis system that's going to allow us to grow all of our subsistence food very rapidly, very quickly, and without annual gardening. And from there, we can add anything that we would like to bring about the thriving part. But there's so much information out there about how you're going to survive, how complex it is. They get into canning, all these expensive things, owning acres and doing tons of work. But not all of us have perfect land. So let me show you a system that can produce what you need to subsist and get you completely 100% off grid right now in this moment. Not in the future, but right now in as quick a time as possible and in the most complete way possible. And not just a hypothetical system, but a system of growing that I have personally lived. So we've seen that a lot of holes in our food supply system has been exposed, and we have the grand solar minimum coming. And if you're ready to get to work instead of messing around and use a proven system that can provide all of your needs from shelter and food, energy, security, basic income, luxury, and more, then click the link below in the description and find out about the Survive and Thrive Blueprint, a set of steps, the most simplistic, most rapid system that you could possibly find to make yourself completely independent, providing all of your own needs and getting off grid right now. Shelter. Everybody needs to have a shelter to stay in, and RVs honestly suck. So do tents. So why not put up something like this structure for under $500 and have a very comfortable finished structure to live in? It's made out of AirCrete, it's insulating, it's round, it's stormproof, and it's very, very comfortable and effective to live in. And even something this small can be built and you can live in comfort throughout the raging storms and weather outside. You can be snug as a bug in a rug inside of a little structure like this, and we'll show you how to even put air conditioning into this thing and heat. A very simple shelter to get you started and get you on the land, get you away from rent. It can become your studio. With the Survive and Thrive podcast, we're also including a video course on how to create these AirCrete domes. It's a way to use cement that is both structural and inflated with air so that it's insulating in a very similar capacity to conventional construction, but it doesn't rot, it doesn't have pests, it's stormproof, tornado-proof, fireproof, and you can build your own structure for as little as $28 a square foot finished. I mean, that's everything, air conditioning, the whole shebang, if you will. And you learn to put these structures up. You build your arches, and then you use compass arms, you stack your dome blocks up, and they go up fairly quickly. For a really hard-working person or two people, you can build one of these 450 square foot one bedroom domes in just 2 weeks for the shell, and another 2 weeks to get the inside finished in. And we're going to include that in the price of this course as well.